Sociological structure of Southeast Asia explained in 1 minute! These are the Buddhist majority countries, these are the Muslim majority countries, these are the Christian majority countries, and Vietnam has a slight majority at over 40% of their population being folk religious, and Laos about a third of their population is folk religious. These countries are considered part of the Indosphere, or countries that have cultural traits that can be traced back to the Indian subcontinent. It's debatable whether or not the Philippines actually is Indosphere, whereas Vietnam, Singapore, parts of the Malacca Strait in Malaysia, and maybe even northern parts of Laos are considered Sinosphere, or Chinese influenced. The Thais and Laos are basically cousins. They can generally understand each other when they talk. Same thing with the Indonesians, Malaysians, and Bruneians. They all kind of understand each other. There's just a few borrowed words from English and Dutch that separate them, and some other loan words from their indigenous peoples. The Vietnamese are very distant cousins of the Cambodians, but today they can't understand each other at all, and about half or more of the Vietnamese language is Chinese derived, so it's like the rift has been growing for centuries. And finally, all of these people, including bits and pieces of what are Vietnam and Cambodia, are considered Austronesians, whom are related to the people that would eventually become Micronesians, Polynesians, and yes, even the Malagasy in Madagascar.